In this video, I will show you how to generate a video overview in NotebookLM and explain the current usage limits across different access levels. I'll start on the home page and click the Create New button to open a fresh workspace. From here, I'll select the option to upload files from my documents. Once the file is processed, the notebook is automatically organized and titled based on the content. Now that the source text is visible, I'll head over to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen and click on Video Overview. I have several format options available, such as explainer or brief. Before finalizing the creation, I'm going to check the usage limits to see how many of these I can create. On the limits breakdown page, we can see the differences between the 4 tiers. Standard users are allowed 3 video overviews per day, which is a great starting point for individual research. Moving up to higher level access, the limit increases significantly to 20 cinematic overviews daily. For power users, the expanded level provides 40 daily uses, while the highest level access offers up to 200 per day. These tiers allow you to scale your content creation based on the depth of your research and the needs of your organization. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.